Hey fitness fam, welcome back to Diet and Exercise. If you're on the lookout for tasty and nutritious salads that can help you shed those extra pounds, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're showcasing 10 delicious salad recipes that are not only packed with flavor, but also designed to support your weight loss goals. These salads feature a variety of fresh, wholesome ingredients that are rich in essential nutrients and low in calories. Whether you're a salad enthusiast or just starting to explore healthy eating, these recipes will provide satisfying and wholesome options that keep you full and energized throughout the day. So grab your ingredients and get ready to create some incredible salads that make weight loss both enjoyable and delicious. Chicken avocado salad. Chicken and avocado salad that's perfect for a light lunch or a healthy dinner. This salad combines tender grilled chicken with creamy avocado and crisp fresh veggies, creating a balanced meal that's both satisfying and packed with nutrients. Start by grilling or baking your chicken breast until it's cooked through and juicy. Slice it up and set it aside. In a bowl, toss together mixed greens, cherry tomatoes, cucumber, and red onion for a refreshing crunch. Add in the sliced chicken and creamy avocado cubes. For the dressing, whip up a simple vinaigrette with olive oil, lemon juice, and a touch of Dijon mustard, and a sprinkle of salt and pepper. This chicken and avocado salad is not only high in protein and healthy fats, but also rich in vitamins and minerals, making it a fantastic choice for a balanced meal. Roasted veggie salad. This hearty salad combines the rich, caramelized flavors of roasted vegetables with fresh greens and a zesty dressing, creating a delightful and satisfying dish. Start by chopping up your favorite veggies. Think bell peppers, zucchini, sweet potatoes, and red onions. Toss them with a bit of olive oil, salt, pepper, and your favorite herbs, like rosemary or thyme. Roast them in the oven at 425 degrees Fahrenheit, 220 degrees Celsius, for about 25 to 30 minutes, or until they're tender and golden. While the veggies are roasting, prepare a base of mixed greens or spinach in a large bowl. Once the veggies are done, let them cool slightly before adding them to your greens. For an extra burst of flavor, sprinkle on some crumbled feta cheese or goat cheese and a handful of toasted nuts or seeds. Dress with a simple vinaigrette made from olive oil, balsamic vinegar, or a touch of honey and Dijon mustard. This roasted veggie salad is not only packed with vitamins and minerals, but also incredibly versatile. Feel free to mix and match your favorite veggies and add any additional toppings you love. Pear and walnut salad. This salad combines sweet, juicy pears with crunchy walnuts and a tangy dressing, creating a balanced mix of flavors and textures. Start by slicing ripe pears and toasting a handful of walnuts in a dry skillet over medium heat until they're fragrant and golden. Next, toss together a bed of mixed greens or arugula in a large bowl. Add the pear slices and toasted walnuts. For extra flavor, sprinkle in some crumbled blue cheese or goat cheese if you like. For the dressing, mix olive oil, balsamic vinegar, a touch of honey, and a dash of salt and pepper. Drizzle the dressing over the salad and give it a gentle toss to combine everything. This pear and walnut salad is not only visually stunning, but also packed with nutrients, healthy fats, and a touch of sweetness. Black bean and corn salad. Black and bean salad is perfect for a quick lunch, a side dish, or a refreshing addition to any meal. This salad combines hearty black beans with sweet corn and a zesty lime dressing for a burst of flavor in every bite. Start by draining and rinsing a can of black beans and thawing some frozen corn or using fresh corn if you prefer. In a large bowl, mix the black beans and corn together with diced bell peppers, red onions, and chopped cilantro for a fresh crunch and burst of flavor. For the dressing, whisk together lime juice, olive oil, a bit of honey, and a pinch of cumin, salt, and pepper. Pour the dressing over the salad and toss everything together until well combined. The black bean and corn salad is not only packed with protein and fiber, but also versatile. Feel free to add avocado, cherry tomatoes, or a sprinkle of feta cheese for extra flavor. Chopped salad. This salad is all about vibrant, crunchy vegetables and a tangy dressing, making it a delicious and nutritious addition to any meal. Start by chopping up a mix of your favorite veggies into bite-sized pieces. Think crisp cucumbers, juicy tomatoes, crunchy bell peppers, and a handful of fresh greens like romaine lettuce or spinach. Add in some red onions and shredded carrots for extra texture and flavor. For protein, you can toss in some chickpeas, grilled chicken, or crumbled feta cheese, whatever suits your taste. For the dressing, whisk together olive oil, red wine vinegar, a squeeze of lemon juice, a touch of Dijon mustard, and a sprinkle of salt and pepper. Drizzle the dressing over the chopped veggies and give everything a good toss until well coated. This chopped salad is not only visually appealing, but also customizable to suit your preference and dietary needs. It's packed with vitamins, fiber, and healthy fats, making it a balanced and delicious option. Arugula and citrus salad. Arugula and citrus salad is perfect for adding a burst of flavor to any meal. This salad combines the peppery bite of arugula with the bright, tangy flavors of citrus fruits, making it both delicious and nutritious. Start by placing a generous handful of fresh arugula in a large bowl. Next, segment some citrus fruits like oranges, grapefruits, or tangerines and add them to the bowl. You can also include thinly sliced red onions for a touch of sharpness and some toasted almonds or walnuts for a satisfying crunch. For the dressing, whisk together olive oil, fresh lemon juice, or a splash of balsamic vinegar, a touch of honey or maple syrup, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Drizzle the dressing over the salad and toss gently to combine all the flavors. This arugula and citrus salad is not only a visual delight with its vibrant colors, but also packed with vitamins and antioxidants, making it a great choice for a light yet nutritious dense meal. Sweet potato and black bean salad. Sweet potato and black bean salad combines the sweetness of roasted sweet potatoes with the savory richness of black beans, creating a flavor-packed and filling meal. Start by peeling and cubing sweet potatoes, then toss them with olive oil, salt, pepper, and a pinch of cumin. Roast them in the oven at 425 degrees Fahrenheit, 220 degrees Celsius, for about 25 to 30 minutes. While the sweet potatoes are roasting, rinse and drain a can of black beans and set them aside. In a large bowl, mix the roasted sweet potatoes with the black beans and add in some chopped red onions, diced bell peppers, and fresh cilantro for extra crunch and flavor. For a zesty dressing, whisk together lime juice, olive oil, a touch of honey, and a pinch of chili powder for a bit of heat. Drizzle the dressing over the salad and toss everything together until well coated. This sweet potato and black bean salad is not only packed with fiber and protein, but also full of vibrant flavors and textures. Lentil salad. Lentils are a fantastic source of plant-based protein, fiber, and essential nutrients, making the salad both delicious and wholesome. Start by cooking a cup of green or brown lentils according to the package instructions until they're tender but still firm. Drain and let them cool. In the meantime, chop up some colorful veggies like bell peppers, cherry tomatoes, and cucumber and toss them into a large bowl. Add some finely diced red onions and a handful of chopped fresh parsley or cilantro for added freshness. For this dressing, whisk together olive oil, red wine vinegar, a squeeze of lemon juice, a teaspoon of Dijon mustard, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Drizzle the dressing over the lentils and veggies, and gently toss to combine. This lentil salad is not only packed with protein and fiber, but also full of vibrant flavors and textures, making it a satisfying and versatile meal option. You can also add some crumbled feta cheese or a handful of olives for extra flavor. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed discovering these 10 delicious and nutritious salads perfect for weight loss. Incorporating these salads into your meals can make it easier to stay on track with your health goals while enjoying flavorful and satisfying dishes. If you tried any of these recipes or have your own favorite salad ideas, drop a comment below and share your thoughts. We'd love to hear which salads you're excited to make or any suggestions you might have. Thanks again for joining us, and stay tuned for more great recipes and health tips. See you in the next video.